Unexpected meetings often create beautiful journey together. Sometimes it's hard to believe, but yes, love doesn't find a cause. It just happens with the one whom your soul finds secure and happy with.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Connection Speaks. I am Unvan Shabru and after a long time, I am introducing you all to an author interview of Mr. Naveen Ness and Miss Farhana Sadiq. They are the author of Ayes Ish Libetish. Ish Libetish is a story of two souls who were shattered by the memories left by their ex. Both lived with unanswered questions with the memories left with them. The characters, namely Naveenan, who is from Bangalore, and Aisha Banu, who resides in Kerala, met each other through an anthology and ended up falling in love with each other's soul. The authors, Naveen Anes and Farhana Sadiq, have beautifully portrayed the circumstances through which long distance relationships come across. Every story has an antagonist, but this story is different as the antagonist is their caste. The one is Hindu and the other being Muslim. This story is about the magical connection which no one can see but feel when they read the book. Are they going to marry each other or are they going to sacrifice? Will they choose themselves or their religion? What do you think? Is it a yes? Come, let's see what happens next in the story in this author interview. Okay,
Yeah,
good evening, everyone. Yeah, so, sir, I would like you to introduce yourself and tell us something about your book.
I'm Naveenan, and I'm the co-author of Ayes Ish Libedish. That is how it's pronounced. So people think it's Ish Libedish and Ayes, but it's the opposite. So about me, it's like I'm an ex-EC engineer. Plus, I've completed my MBA graduation. And then about the book, it's my first straight full novel published, and I'm so happy that it reached the best-selling author category. So I'm so happy about it. Over to you.
I'm Farhana Sadiq. I am a pharmacist at Maulana Hospital. Professionally, passionately, I am the author of IS Ish and many people have this doubt: what is Ish Okay, so let me tell you that also. It means I love you in German. Yeah.
Okay, great. Firstly, congratulations to you both, and I wish you a great success for this book. So, let's move ahead with some questions which I would like you to ask personally. So, sir, when did you start writing this book?
Honestly, it was around October in 2019, like when the pandemic started. Like initially, she was the one who pushed me. Like she was like, "Let's start a novel and we'll publish it." I had just had a story in roughly in my mind. But then, like, when she pushed me, like, I started, okay, let me start. And I started from October 2020.
Okay. So, ma'am, at what time did you usually write the book? Day or night?
I don't get time usually, but when the pandemic came, I got leave. Like we got work, 15 days work and 15 days holiday. I used to make up time like night also. I used to sleep early, sleep late. Sorry, sleep late. Like I used to make up that time. Sometimes I used to sit till 4 a.m. Yeah,
Okay.
I make up
But
time
how
like
did
that.
you manage like writing this book and again your professional life?
When you're passionate about something, like 24 hours or more, you find time for it.
Okay,
That's it.
great. Inspiration that you have been managing your professional life, your personal life, and again writing the book. So great. Then, when did you complete writing the book? Like, first, I would ask, sir.
The thing was, it was a very tough situation because it was her engagement. She was like, my engagement is coming. We have to finish the book soon. And I was like, how is it possible to finish an entire novel in just 3 months? And she was like, I don't know. We have to finish it. And we are launching it before that. So we had to
And I
finish.
wanted to,
You believe it or
sorry.
not, we finished by December. We started in October late. late October and we finished by December.
Okay,
She had to
that's
tell something.
great. Like, yeah. So, ma'am, when did you completed the book?
Same as him, I'm compared to Naveen, and he kept writing, but he kept pushing me also complete it fast. I wanted it to complete by Feb 14th or like Feb 7th. We told first, right? Then
Yeah,
we told Feb
Feb 7th
14th.
was the first
So
official date.
you like,
Like it's like more like once, like I had to push
yeah, you
her.
have been motivating.
Yeah,
I
when
had to
he's
push her
down,
to
Yeah.
write.
yeah, when he's down, I have to push. It was
Yeah,
like
that's
that.
how it
That's
was.
the best thing about two other books.
No. Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, are you the real Aisha Banu or is it a fantasy? Like many of your fans would like to know and other readers.
Most of Aisha Banu's myself, I can tell that. Like it's
Okay.
exactly how I would react to the situations in the book, and a little bit of it is from my personal life. So yes, Aisha Banu somewhat me, but there is fictional part in the book also.
Okay, so basically it's about all the other women who are facing the same issues, right? All of them are Aisha
Yes,
Banu, we
yes,
can tell.
of
And
course.
I would
some
like to
small
Yes,
add one
little.
thing. It's like with this book, we want to tell that there isn't just one Navinan and one Aisha Banu. There are like millions of Navinan and millions of Aisha Banus out there. We just want to bring them out. That was the
yes,
Yeah.
ultimate
of
thing.
course. And we would love to see them. We would love to talk to them.
Yeah.
Sir, how is the book different from other stories? And why do you think it is a must read?
Okay. Typically, both the questions has one answer. For me, the first thing is like usually in every romantic love stories, you find caste systems and religious and all the stuff. This one is feel good. Like there's nothing harm in the book. It doesn't disrespect any kind of religion. It tries to promote each other's religions like equally. And moreover, this book has dual writings. So like there'll be same situation, but two ways of seeing that situation. Like there's my part and it's her part. Both will have different circumstances and many places it'll be like differing much. So it'll be like fun, right? People will be like, okay, this side this happened and that side this happened. So people will be wondering like how did they even catch up with so much of differentiations and differences, but still they end up like how they want it to be. That is how the book is different from others. And especially with the final like that final chapter, it's not like the usual like romantic books. There are like more than 5 to 6 subparts in this last chapter. So that's the
Yeah.
highlight.
Yeah, although it's a controversial topic, but when I read the book, I was completely amazed. Yeah, that you told both
Yeah,
sides, different stories. Yeah, but it was so good. And also, like, that respect you told, equality, that was also very nice. So,
thank you.
okay. So, ma'am, tell me, what do you like to do when you are not writing?
I would like to paint.
Okay.
Example is behind her.
Yes, that is my drawing.
Great. It's so beautiful. So, like, you're having multiple talents, right? Apart
Of
from this.
course. Yes.
Okay. Great, yes, sir. Share something that your readers won't know about you.
Okay. So typically, like I'm an example for this nutshell coming out. People under the nutshell and coming out because this is my first ever achievement on my like own, like without any help, not taking much support from anyone. And the thing was, I had to do this without anyone's interference, and my parents' support was not that much friendly. This was the first thing took it on myself, and I finished successfully. So I'm happy about it. So apart from this, about me is like I'm this never give up, like you should never give up attitude kind. If something comes up to me in a starting place, I'll definitely finish it up. So when it comes to
Okay.
electronics and engineering, I finished it. And when I'm doing this MBA, it was a big challenge because it was COVID, it was MBA and the book. So I had to do all the three at once. So it was a good challenge for me. That's it about me.
Okay, so like similarly, like her, even you have managed so many things apart from your writing part, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so that's a great thing. Now let's move on to the next question. So, ma'am, tell me, describe the discovery of your title.
It's the right choice
Uh,
because it was her who decided it.
Actually, I told him we'll keep Ish Libidish, but I guess it came from him, and he
So
told
it's
IS
like
first.
it was a fun type because when people like in abroad when they propose, what do? They're like it's dish and you should tell the answer right. So I meant to tell
IS, it's
yes.
the question.
So it's like that. That's how it formed.
Yeah,
That's how
I read
our
your book.
story goes.
Yeah, and there it was written like she decided the title and all. So I
Yeah, she
would,
decided the title, but I gave the
yeah,
input. Like,
yeah, it's a contribution of you both, right, to the
yeah,
book. So
but
even the
completely the
title has it.
title, title credits goes to her title, like because
Yeah,
she was the one who
every
fixed it.
credit you give.
Yeah, it's completely unique.
Yeah,
Each Libedich and then yes, so
yeah.
it's completely unique and like it's very exciting. I saw the cover; it's so beautiful. See,
Meet the cover designer also. She was a cover
she
designer.
has done.
Yeah,
Wow,
it was
great.
her design.
Actually, I
Yeah,
designed it, and
Yeah, that's how it happened. So the
no,
next
like
reach everyone because me personally, I'm a big fan of novels. So when it comes to reading, I wanted to make sure that people like if I am reading someone's book, what would attract me the first? The cover.
yeah.
cover itself.
So
Yeah,
that's the
And
reason
yeah.
we
of
took.
course we
Few
had
people say it.
Yeah,
we
continue.
did doodle art inside. Navina, there is doodle art inside. We had planned to keep in every chapter, right? But because of lack
There
of
was a
time,
doodle
we
art.
didn't do it.
Uh,
Yeah,
Yeah, doodle art. First
uh,
chapter, right? Yours
yeah,
and then hers.
first and second
that was a
chapter. Yes.
big talk actually. Like many of them like the doodle art. We planned of keeping the doodle art for every chapter, but
Every
unfortunately with
chapter, yes.
time constraints, we
Lack
had
of
to keep it
time.
to one.
Help us with the most important factors while writing.
About writing, first thing is like you just have to make sure you are completely focused on one particular concept, like that point, like where you just need to have that primary thing. If you have the idea about what you're going to write, you will definitely start writing on. And many writers will have this like starting problem, like how to start their story. So about that, I would recommend them to just write whatever comes to their head. As time goes, number of pages goes, they will develop. So they can come back to the first and they can modify according to the remaining part. In that way, it will be helpful to them. And apart from that, you need a lot of interest that is much more needed. Like if you want to do something which is taking a hell lot of patience from your side, you have to sit for a long time and type, write. I would suggest you to like take more interest, visualize whatever you're writing or typing. You just have to visualize. Like when I was writing this Navinan's character, I visualized each and every word which I used in that. So that is how it would be helpful.
Yeah, it requires a lot of patience, and even when I read the book, I can feel it. I
Yeah.
can feel it, and that's the beauty of writing. When you read someone's writing, then you can feel it. That's the beauty. And some kind of books like it does not feel a satisfaction type, but there it was. I can feel everything. Okay. So, most difficult phase of your journey while writing? Both of
Um,
you have to answer.
okay, first let her go.
Most difficult part. It was tough to find time, and we had a limited time, so we had to push ourselves. Like we weren't sure if the writing is gonna be good or what. I was very, very, very what you tell. Um, what is
Tensed.
that word? I don't know how to tell that.
He was tensed,
I was
nervous,
I was very low on confidence.
and
Okay.
typically, like it's her very first novel, like first writing ever to
Yes.
be published. So she was like so much intense. Like she was like, I want this book to come, but how? That was her
Yeah, but I don't know
bigger.
how to write. I'm not sure if people are gonna like it.
I just told her, you just write your heart out. People will definitely love it.
He
Yeah.
told there will be one person who will like your work. I wrote for that one person.
But it's completely the opposite. Everyone is loving your writing.
That's the thing.
Yeah, and also, that your writing did not show that you were low on your confidence. It was so good.
I just wrote what came into my mind. I just poured out my heart, you can tell.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
for me, the most difficult part was making her to write, because she was working and she had to do household work, and comparatively her family is there. I can't force in much to a family, because you know how your system works. It is very like restricted, and from there I have to get the output. I can't force her much, it will frustrate her. Any writing with frustration would be like troubling only. So
Yeah.
that was the most difficult part which I had to overcome. I somehow managed to make her write, so I'm happy with that.
Yeah, because if she is not interested, then it would be a burden, right? And
Exactly.
even she cannot, like she told, she poured her heart out, so she wouldn't have done that thing if
We just
she was
like I
interested.
shouldn't push her more, like it would make her
Yeah,
feel bad, so I shouldn't do that. That's it.
you basically motivated her, like.
Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the next question. Um, Tell me, ma'am, starting with you, which is
Okay.
the favorite spot of yours in your country, and why do you feel it's your favorite?
Okay. I'm not sure. I want to travel the whole world. Every place is different. I want to absorb all that is there, all the cultures, every type of language. I love traveling actually. There is no specific sport that I want to travel. Even if it is somewhere nearby, also, I would love to travel. That feeling is so good. I love the feeling.
Okay, and sir, yours?
Mine, my destination first was Paris. Like I want to go to Paris, New York. These two are my favorite locations. And apart from that, in India, I want to visit all the temples in the mountain ranges, like Kedarnath, and like
North.
those, yeah, and Manali. These two, like these places, makes me feel like more natural, and I would just want to go alone. That was my biggest desire.
Visiting to temples and any holy place, it provides
Yeah,
peace, internal peace, right?
exactly.
Yeah. Okay. So, are you preparing for a sequel?
Yeah, there are
Yes.
two sequels for it.
Is
Yeah, the first sequel will be the title will be revealed soon, and it's gonna be something about the past of both of us. Like like if people would have read the book, they would know what a past means. So it would be like another roller coaster ride. It's gonna be like you will be comparing first and second book, which is much better. It's gonna be the such kind, and there will be a proper climax to the series, the trilogy, at the third sequel.
yeah, I would tell that you will see different forms of Aisha Banu and Navinan in the past.
Exactly, and the climax, I can assure, the climax is gonna be like mind twisting, and it gonna is you just have to like get into that world of both Naveen and Aisha Banu to figure it out.
Let's have some fun. So, I'll ask you certain questions like, sir, tell me, would you like endless summer or endless winter?
Okay. Uh, Endless winter.
Okay, ma'am, tell me, would you prefer social media or books?
Book.
Great. Sir, tell me, paperback or ebook?
Paperback, undoubtedly.
Okay. And ma'am, tell me, are you a morning person or a night person?
Night
Nocturnal.
person, of course.
She is
Night person.
nocturnal. Complete nocturnal she is.
I sleep
Night
in the
owl.
morning.
Night owl she is.
Okay. Now, sir and ma'am, this question goes to both of you. Now, what advice would you like to give to other writers, like about their first book, if they are starting up with their first book? Some advice if you want to give.
She can start if you want.
I would tell, start writing. Don't wait for a perfect time. Just write whatever comes into your mind. Keep the road active, okay? Keep it very raw. Once you start writing, words will come to you. That's what I would tell. Yeah, that's the
Uh,
biggest task you face all the time when you start writing first.
my biggest advice is like I personally like I would like to convey is like don't go behind publishers. Do not go behind publishers. First, write your scripts. Make sure your script is so much legit and it's very good. And if you have the good script, you can do it on your own. And about reaching to people, comes to about reaching people, it completely falls in the part of marketing. And about marketing, you have to take a lot of efforts in terms of marketing from your end. So nothing. So like when it, as I told before, what you have to focus is on your own writing and not on the publishers. The completely it focuses on how you write and how you show your book. That is how it's gonna depend upon. And moreover, you just have to focus on the marketing wise. You just have to make sure it reaches maximum people from your efforts. You can't expect much from everyone. You have to take your own efforts and never give up. A small stepping stone will definitely bring you to heights. Initially, for if it goes slow or if it goes very normal, like if you're publishing and people are not viewing it, just keep trying. Keep trying. One, two, three. It goes up to your saturation point, and give a last try after your saturation point also, because that can be your golden luck. That's it.
Okay, great. So now you can tell about your social media handles, like the name, so that people can follow you there.
Yeah, sure. My official writing page is slate underscore balapam, and my personal account is it's Mr. underscore Menon. It's MEANIN. So that's my official handles.
Okay,
Yeah,
Slate
mine is
Balapam and
Farhana.
Continue.
Mine is Farhana Sadiq. I don't use the other account much, but it is Miss Wordly Farhan.
okay, so both of next we have a last question, that is explain your life before and after. Oh yes.
So, like as I mentioned, my family is completely from an army background, and coming from an army background, you know the level of strict and how the like frustrations loaded piles up and everything. So from that frustration period to now, uh, all my frustrations were somewhere pushed away from inside me because of this book. And when you tell like what was Navinan before that and what is Navinan after that, is a lot of difference when it comes to knowledge, as well as the calmness in me, because I was very impatient before. I used to be very stubborn. Now I'm a little bit stubborn, but before I used to be like peak. And one as main factor is like before I used to get somewhat inspired from writers, especially Ravinder Singh. I used to see other writers and I used to get inspired. And now, looking after me, like people have started to write, started to write. So I have been an inspiration for young writers to come out. So in that way, like I'm so happy. Like I've brought out inspiration to others also. So that is a major difference for me.
I was an introvert. Now I am an extrovert. That's a major change in my life. Then one more thing, as a writer, I understood one thing which I wasn't pretty sure before writing a book. That is, uh, like what Naveen told, you tend to influence people. And I met a lot of Aisha Banus, a lot of Naveen, and I thought it will be only me who's gonna be like this. But I understood that there are many people who wants to come out, like who wants them to be known. Like many people contacted me telling that this is our real life, our life is like this. And I really want to meet such kind of people, more people like this. If I could do anything for them, I would love to do that.
Okay. So, okay, I to talk to you both, and I really had a great time. And again, I want to congratulate you both, and I again wish you a lot of success and both
Thank
of
you.
you for your
Thank you.
precious time.
And thank you being such a wonderful host. And it's our honor to be with our first interview with to be yours.
Yeah, yes.
It's so nice. I'm so happy it happened with you.
And
Hey everyone, I hope you really liked the author interview. Comment down below what things I have missed or what do you really love the most about the interview. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. If you have already read the book, comment down below which part of the book do you feel is your favorite. The part which I loved the most is